Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. This is your time to reconnect with your body, to thank it for carrying you through every moment, to send love to every cell, every organ, and every breath. Allow these affirmations to flow through you, restoring balance, peace, and strength within. I am healthy. I am healthy. My body is healing. My body is healing. I am grateful for my body. I am grateful for my body. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy. I trust my body's wisdom. I trust my body's wisdom. My body knows how to heal itself. My body knows how to heal itself. I listen to what my body needs. I listen to what my body needs. I nourish my body with love and care. I nourish my body with love and care. I am kind to myself as I heal. I am kind to myself as I heal. I am patient with my progress. I am patient with my progress. I am learning. I am learning. I am growing. I I am evolving with grace. I am evolving with grace. I release stress and tension from my body. I release stress and tension from my body. I allow peace to flow through me. I allow peace to flow through me. I breathe deeply and fully. I breathe deeply and fully. My breath fills me with calm energy. My breath fills me with calm energy. I am grateful for the gift of movement. I am grateful for the gift of movement. My body gets stronger every day. My body gets stronger every day. I love and respect my body. I love and respect my body. I honor my body's limits and needs. I honor my body's limits and needs. Healing is happening within me now. Healing is happening within me now. I trust my body to do what it was designed to do. I trust my body to do what it was designed to do. I am gentle with myself as I heal. I am gentle with myself as I heal. I am releasing what no longer serves me. I am releasing what no longer serves me. take a deep breath in and fully exhale. You are healing. You are thriving. You are in perfect harmony with your body. Carry this peace with you today and trust that your body is working in your favor, moment by moment, with love.